Hey everybody, how you doing? Kelly Johnston here from Kelly's Truck Talk. I'm talking about stuff that is happening right now in the real estate business. I'm still working, I'm still busy. I gotta do it while I'm driving down the road. Today, you know what? I might step on some toes today. So get ready. You might get offended. You know what though? Truth is truth. So whatever. You can either choose, because the world is made up of choices. Everything is about choices, right? You can choose to get pissed off. You can choose to be offended, because we are in a society where everybody gets offended by things easily now. So you could choose that. It's choice, really. Or you could choose to think about it internally and kind of go, where am I in that? Like, where am I on that spectrum? Do I need to work on some things? Is this truth to me? Like, is he speaking to my truth? You know, things that are true in my world, maybe? Is there things I need to work on, or is there something I need to improve upon? Or is this guy just a ranting idiot? Could be any of those things. Okay, so this is the thing, okay? It's actually been since about 2015, 2016, where the market just turned on, and we have had phenomenal real estate activity happening for 6 years? 6 years! Craziness for 6 years. Now there's cycles to everything. It can't go on forever. It can't go forever. And if you're in the business for the long haul, if you're into real estate as a career, if you're actually building a business instead of just selling some houses or listing some houses, if you're a lister and not a marketer, and you're just, you know, you got to help buyers buy things because you got to get commission, right? If that's your mentality, if your mentality is about building a business, here's one thing real quick. I'm just going to say it out loud, and you check yourself. If your email address is your name at thecompanyyou'rewith.com, you're not building a business. You might think you are, but you're not. Your email address needs to identify you. It should bring people to your website. You should identify your business. You shouldn't be marketing that other business that you're working for. You're a business within a business. And if you ever want to change companies, what's going to happen with your email address that you've been giving out to everybody? If you want to do anything else and take your business seriously, take it to the next level, then you're going to have to change your email address and let everybody know, oh, I have a new email address now. How embarrassing is that? How impactful is that to your clients, right? So get an email address that identifies you and connects people to your website. Because you know what? If I don't know somebody's website, but I know their email address, and their email address is bobandkaren.com, I'm gonna go, chances are their website address is bobandkaren.com, right? Easy to find. Anyway, that's just an aside. Building a business. So here's the thing. There's a lot of people bitching and complaining and whining and sniveling about the market right now. And they're listening to the news. They're listening to their friends. They're listening to all the posts on social media. They're listening to all this noise out there because the market's shifting. And it's easy to kind of be a really smart person to say, oh, the market's slowed down. Okay, well, way to go. Like, that takes zero intelligence to say that, but the thing is what does it mean? What does it actually mean? Like, what is really going on? And here's the better question. Where's the opportunity? Where is the opportunity? See, there's people out there right now in your market, in your office, in your neighborhood, that are in real estate, licensed real estate agents right now that have never seen a downturning market, never seen a slow market, never seen it. They've never even experienced it. There was a little bit in 2018, 2019, but really nothing. It was just a pause for a second, and then it kicked in again. 2020, when COVID hit, we had 2 months of kind of everybody going, okay, what's going on? How do we deal with this? Oh, we go again? Okay. And then from June on, it just carried on and went nuts for 22 months or whatever it was. Let's put it all in perspective, right? Let's put it all in perspective. It's been crazy. The thing is, all of those people that are suffering and whining and complaining, they need to whine and complain because that's the path of least resistance, right? Oh, the news article said this is going to happen. My neighbor said this is going to happen. My best buddy, while I'm having a beer, said this is going to happen. And all of those things that those people are all saying through all these different types of media, different types of things that you're reading, is just justifying while you're not succeeding. It's helping you have a reason for failure. It justifies it. That's all it does. It makes you go, okay, that's why I'm not doing any business, because of all these other outside influences. So that's why. It's not on me. I'm sorry, man. Not good enough. Because you know what? Successful people don't think that way. Successful people go, okay, where's the opportunity? What was the challenge? Think about this right now. What was the biggest challenge over the last 22 months? What has been the biggest challenge? Working with buyers, right? There'd be 20 competing buyers for any property that your buyers wanted. Where's the opportunity now? Working with buyers. Buyers actually have a chance to buy something now. They might not even be competing. They might be the only one at the table with the seller. They might not have to pay full price. They might get to have some conditions on that offer. They might get to look around a little bit, analyze the market, check out some other properties, maybe take a week to make a decision, get the financing lined up, get a home inspection done. They might get to do all these things, which before was a luxury. That was an absolute luxury to be able to get to do any of those things. Now they get to do that. And what's the other part of the problem? This is the problem you're not going to be thinking about if you're one of those people. Because when you listed a property, you knew it was going to sell. So your whole job was to list the property and communicate with everybody, get information to everybody, and then wait till offer day and then process offers. That's all you were doing. You're processing, okay? You weren't marketing. You just got it out there. You did all the right things for sure. There's a lot of people doing a great job actually marketing properties. But who are you really marketing to, right? You're marketing to buyers, but you're really marketing to real estate agents, right? You're trying to make it easy for them so that you can get as many offers as possible so you can drive the price up. For sure, that was good. Good for you. That's awesome. But here's another question for you. Anybody who's been watching my videos for a while, maybe listening to the podcast, maybe in the course, maybe at the Real Estate Agents Learning Center Facebook group, maybe in the Forex Formula Facebook group, right? Maybe you're coming to the free coaching every single Thursday, okay? Any of you people that are watching this right now, when I ask you the question, what is the Forex Formula? What is the Forex Formula? What is it, right? Come on, tell me, write it in the comments. Put it in the comments. Oh, by the way, subscribe. Hit the bell so you always know when new videos come up. And follow, or whatever, and all the other things I'm talking about. Instagram, realestate.with.kelly. Go to the free Facebook group for real estate agents, the Real Estate Agents Learning Center. Go there. There's tons of stuff going on. I'll put the coaching sessions live on there so you can watch them afterwards, or you can watch them during. You can get on the invite list so that you're in the meeting with us. You can ask questions and we can collaborate together. And we do that every Thursday at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Whoosh, boom, boom. Okay, back into the message. What is the Forex Formula? The Forex Formula. You list a property. Every property you list should pay you 4 times. Doesn't happen every time. Doesn't happen every time, but it can if you think about it properly and you focus on it and you actually do all the right things. And you employ the Forex Formula, which is you list the property, you sell that property. That's a commission check. You sell those people a property, another commission check, and you attract 2 buyers. And you help those 2 buyers buy other properties that are out there. One of those buyers, the stats say 50% of them need to sell something. And you list their property and the cycle starts all over again. That's why you can list 10 properties and do 40 deals. You can actually do that. 10 properties, that's it. That's not even 1 a month. You can do it. You can do it. Employ the Forex Formula. 40 deals is a pretty good living, depending on where you're at. If that's $5 grand a deal, average deal, that's 250 grand. 200, what is that? Yeah, 200 grand, right? If it's 10 grand a deal, it's even better. So anyway, back to what we're talking about. So the Forex Formula. now it was hard. It was actually difficult during the last 22 months to actually employ the methods of the Forex formula, because we haven't had a market like this like forever, or ever in some cases, in some markets, ever having competing offers where we have inventory under 20 to 25% of what a balanced market should be. Like it's been insane, you guys. It's been insanity. This is not normal. We're approaching normal. We're not approaching tragic. This is not an epidemic proportion kind of event going on right now. There's not a crash. There's not a cliff happening. We don't have the financial institutions doing crazy stuff and causing everything to crash like in 2008. We don't have any of those things going on. This is just normal stuff going on. Relax, everybody. And you know what? Start getting good. Focus on being good. Focus on being great. Focus on being the best. Because you know who's doing business right now? The best. The people who are good. The people who have honed their skill sets. The people who have focused during the busy times, not only being busy doing business, but they also focused on seed planting and employing the Forex formula as best they could. But the problem, I'll get back to the problem. I keep getting off track. I'll get back to the problem. The problem was we couldn't find those buyers anything, and then they would fizzle. And some of those buyers that had something to sell said, I'm not going to sell right now because I don't even know if I could buy anything right now. And if I sell right now and the market goes up 20%, I'm out of the market. I might as well just stay where I am. So there's people not selling because they couldn't find anything to buy. And so that was perpetuating the problem of low inventory as well, a contributor to that problem. So now here we are approaching regular. We're still going fast. I'm going 120K. I shouldn't be doing that. Yikes. We're still going fast, but we're not going 160K, which is what the market was. Do you know what I mean? When you're driving down the highway super fast, then you got to slow down. It feels super slow, but it's actually just normal. That's what's going on right now. So now there's actually a chance to market a listing long enough, have it on the market long enough, market to the buyers, get them through the property, get into a conversation with them, start talking to them, start nurturing them, figure out how you can help them, give them lots of information on the property, get into conversations about the property, and then find out maybe that property is going to work for them, maybe it's not going to work for them, but you can start to find a need there. And then you start to think about how you can help them. Guys, this is how it works. This is how you do real estate. 4 deals for every listing. Now you can start to do that. Get excited about this market. This market is perfect. The interest rates are high though. No one can buy. That's bullshit. I'm sorry. Bleep that out because this has got to be a clean show. People can buy. They just can't buy what they thought they could buy. They're going to have to buy something different. Or they're going to have to leverage their money differently. Or they're going to have to move their equity differently. But that's not going to stop the market. It's just going to change how it's done. And sometimes it's all about the plan. It's all about the game plan, right? So start to formulate a game plan. Sometimes it might be going and finding them a place. Now you can do subject to sales in some cases too. You can do subject to selling another property. You couldn't do that. We've been doing it lately. So you can do that too. But if you can get a good deal over here, get the numbers to work over here, then you can make the numbers work over here. You have to start getting creative and start making it work for people. Man, okay. I think that's enough. I ranted. This has gone on a little bit long, but get excited about the opportunity. Get excited. Get fired up about the opportunity. There is opportunity right now in this market. Fantastic opportunity. Opportunity that has not been available to you in the last 22 months. This is exciting. Get excited about it. If you want to learn more, you want to get more fired up, you want to plug in. I'm looking to grow my team too, by the way. Wherever you are, I don't care where you are, all over North America. Let's grow together. Let's help each other. I can do that through our system at EXP. I'm happy to do it. I don't want to, every time I talk to you, I'm not going to be talking about EXP, but if you want to talk about it, or you want to get into a conversation to get a clear understanding what it's really about and how you can financially benefit from effort that you put out and I can help you and financially benefit, and it doesn't come out of your pocket. Man, that's awesome, right? That's win-win. Anyway, enough of that. Have a great day. Go out there and make a great day.